Hello everyone. So today is Sunday. On Sunday we came up with the motivational video. So today's topic is the replying all of your queries. So I got many queries in my other videos comment that ma'am make a video on how we can prepare from our home without going to Delhi, how we can prepare. So for the home preparation or the self-study preparation, what you need. So first I am going to show you my room and then the lifestyle or the how I start my days and how it ends, then the availability of the material or the resources, online resources and the other resources and the guidance, which all of the questions I will cover, which you need to go through as a self-study preparation, as a those who are preparing from your home, not the daily. So first start with my room, then come to the resources and how you can get each and every material at your home. So let's get started. So you can see this is my room and start with my table. So now first start with this one. So these are my weekly targets for the prelims 2020 and I have made this one. So this is the 6th month month wise. That means the day is completed, then I cross it. This remembers me the prelims date and also the mains date. You can see 95 days for prelims and 95 days for mains. So this is my daily routine. So you can see this is my daily routine. Start with 5 AM to end it's 11 PM. So then come to this is the prelims month wise strategy, July, August and September. Which subject I have to cover. So in the July, polity, economy, current affairs, CSAT mock test, full mock test, you can see. So this is the Hindu newspaper and this is my current affairs note copies. And now I am reading the polity, as in July I have to completed the polity, economy, current affairs. So this is my polity copy and the polity book Lakshmikant, and then this is the previous year question paper. This is GS, this is CSAT and this is Vision IS mock test series. So here almost I have 39 mock tests. So this is the prelims mock test series. So then come to if you have watched my previous video on my room, so you can see that I have made it in a GS paper wise, right? But as my prelims is approaching, so I have changed the book rack. So I have made this section. That means this is only the prelim section. You can see the Lakshmikant is here. So this is the map. And this is the Lakshmi question bank, polity MCQ. Then this is art and culture, ancient medieval history, environment, Shankara IAS. This is NCERTs, economy and polity. Then these are my notes copies, and this is the current affairs booklet. Then these are NCERTs, geography NCERTs, 4 geography NCERTs, GC Leong, Atlas, and this is the economy NCERT and the budget and economic survey. So this section is only for the prelims, and this is here I am showing you. This is the spectrum modern history. So this section is only the prelim section, as my prelims is approaching. So this section, and I have to read these books frequently. So I have gave them the first stack, then come to these are the mains copies which I already discussed in my previous video. These all are mains copies. So this is totally the current affairs copies, then the mains answer writing copies. So you can see all of them are mains copies. Optional paper, mains topics. So these are all 3 rack is for mains and only this section is for the prelims. So this is the overall. You can see that I have made this chart and this one just to motivate myself and just to remember the exact date of prelims and the mains. So which give me a motivation. So that's all the room. So first of all, now I am going to tell you that the books which you have shown in my video. So many people ask me or tell me that this is the library for the UPSC, but no, this is not the library. So now I am going to tell you that why this is a lot of books, right? So I seen many people, those who can read from the online resources, like their monthly magazine, their current Yojana, their Da Hindu, or any of the newspaper or any other resources like online material, they can read from the online material. But I personally never read any one line from any online material. Even the proper strategy which you will get in the Insight website, I also printed out those material. Even the topper strategy I also printed out. So this is, I feel comfortable with the offline material, that means the physical material. I am not comfortable with the online material, so I never read anything anywhere from online resources. So first of all, that's why my book rack is so much full of the books and the printed materials. So now come to the my daily routine. So how my day starts. So I have already made a video on this topic, a day in the life of a UPSC aspirant. If you have not go through them, you can go and check it out. But in this video, I will tell you that how my day starts. So usually my day starts with any exercise or yoga. Then after doing this, I start to read current affairs and then the Da Hindu newspaper. Then the breakfast. After that, I complete one GS paper. And after completing one GS paper, I used to go for lunch and the bath, and then in the evening slot starts. So in the evening slot starts with the 4 p.m. So in the 4 p.m. I starts with the optional paper, and after that I used to write answer writing or any solving the MCQ and the revision of the total day's studies. So this is the usually daily targets or daily routine of mine. But this is not the daily routine from my first day, right? So when I start my preparation, this was not my first daily routine. This is the daily routine of my at this moment before the prelims preparation, like till the June, because from the July I have started my totally prelims preparation. So how you will start at when you are preparing from your home. So when I first of all I will share my strategy. I have started my preparation, I think it's 2017 when I completed the graduation. So first when I started the preparation for the WBCS, that means the state PCS hour. So first I start with the WBCS, and for that I have buy a lot of books. First of all, I have joined two batches, the private batch. One is for my English and other is for my math, reasoning and the GK. So this is very much common here in Kolkata or any Barashat area. But I don't know if this is common in any other place or not. But for the competitive exam or for the WBCS, here almost all the people go to this private types coaching. So first start with this in I think it's May 2017. So when I start these two coachings, I totally preparing for the competitive exam and the WBCS. I gave one CGL, CHSL, MTS, PSC, miscellaneous. So this type of exam I was giving. So that time I was not aware of the UPSC. So I was totally preparing for the WBCS that time. So after going to the private coaching, so my teacher gave me the book list for the WBCS. So they told me that the 9th and the 10th class, the secondary education, our Bengali medium secondary education books will help me in the WBCS. So I have trusted on him and I just buy the book and started to reading them. The first of all, I start my preparation with the 9th and the 10th secondary education books. That means the West Bengal education books, Bengali version. So I start with them. After that, I completing those books. I feel that this is the point of view from the secondary examination, not from the WBCS or any other competitive exam. So I feel that this is not sufficient for the WBCS to crack. So then I start to search on the YouTube that how to prepare WBCS without coaching by searching this. So when I start to the book list of the WBCS, when I start searching this, then I got to know about the Lakshmikant, Ramesh Singh economy book, then the Poonam Dalal Dhaiya, then Rajiv Ahir or the Spectrum one. So I got this book list for the WBCS prelims and mains. So I go for the College Street. This is the very popular area in Kolkata for the books market. I go to the College Street and buy all these books and come to my home and started preparing for the WBCS in I think it's September 2017 when I first start to read the Lakshmikant and Ramesh Singh and for the WBCS 2018. So starting these books, I feel that this is the huge syllabus and the books are very much huge. You can, as you all know, this is a very lengthy books and I cannot complete all these books before the prelims 2018 and it's not possible. So first of all, I started to read this book in September, and my prelims was WBCS prelims was on I think it's January 2018. So I got only 5 months, 4 to 5 months. So in this, I just completed Lakshmikant and Ramesh Singh half, and the Spectrum total, and the Poonam Dhalal Dahiya half. So after doing this, I got 95 in 2018 WBCS. Just for 2 marks, I cannot qualify the prelims. The general cutoff was 97 and my marks was 95. I could not clear the prelims of 2018 for WBCS. So that in February 2018, after giving the WBCS, I started to preparing for UPSC. So this was a very story behind this. I will tell you in any other video, but in this video, I will share my strategy for the UPSC. So in February 2018, I started the preparation. So before that, I have made a clear-cut strategy in my mind that how I have to approach the UPSC. So for that, I have made a separate book copy. That those copy I have written the syllabus for the UPSC prelims, mains, the strategy and the pattern of the exam, the optional paper syllabus, the book list of each and every syllabus of prelims, mains and the optional. So in February I go to the College Street for buying the NCERTs. So my preparation of UPSC start with the Roman Saini sir videos. He made a video, I think it's 2017, that how to prepare from home. I start with this video, and in this video he told us that we have to start the NCERT 6 to 12. So I have bought each and every NCERTs like history, geography, social and political life, general science, then his polity, economy, each and every NCERT 6 to 12. I started preparing for the from NCERTs in February 2018. So in started to reading the NCERTs, I feel that it's easy for me. If I directly go to the 10th and 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, it will be easy for me. 6, 7, 8 is quite easy. You can skip this one. After reading that, I can understand. So it's totally up to you and your basic knowledge, that you can skip the 6th, 7th, 8th, or you can also skip the 9th, 10th, directly go to the 11th, 12th. It is totally up to you. But I personally start the preparations with the 6th to 12th NCERT from the first initial 4 months. That means the February, March, April, May, before the prelims 2018. So when the prelims 2018 happened, I got the questions. So I got the questions of GS and the CSAT. So after seeing the questions of 2018, I feel that no, this is not the right approach which I am going for. So I have to be more focused on the exam oriented preparation. So this is not the actual way. So after that, I have searched a lot on the internet and watched many toppers video. I have watched many toppers video before that also, but after the prelims 2018, I watched many toppers video and also solved the previous year, not the solve, just check the previous year of last 10 years. Then started for the GS paper wise preparation. That means in June, I have started the GS1, in July, GS2, September, August, GS3 and September, GS4. So this was the first initial preparation of the 4 GS paper. So first 4 months was NCERT, then the next 4 months was GS paper 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in the October, November and December, the optional paper, the first reading of optional paper. So here was a dilemma between history and the geography, because when I was preparing for the WBCS, my optional paper was the history. But when I go for the UPSC, I feel that the geography is more fruitful than the history, as it covers a vast area for our GS paper also, and I am very interested in the geography also, and also the map work. So this is my comfort zone. So I shifted the history from history to geography, my optional paper. So I started preparing for the geography optional in October 2018. So after that, in January, I totally rely on the WBCS prelims. So in January, I think it's 9th February 2019, our WBCS prelims was happened. So for the last 1 month, from January 2019, I totally rely on the WBCS mock test and also the WBCS preparations. So after that, from the February, March, April, May, these 4 months, I totally rely on the UPSC prelims preparation for the 2019, because my total target was, my initial target was 2019, but unfortunately due to my health issue, I could not give the prelim CSAT paper. I go to the institute to go write my exam in 2019, but unfortunately I could not give the CSAT paper. I was in very high fever and I was got senseless, so I just gave the DS paper. So my 2019 attempt was wasted, as I cannot give the CSAT paper. So I cannot qualify in the GS also. So after that, in June 2019 to till now, I am totally preparing for the 2020 attempt. And in May 2019, I started 4 batches for the UPSC. So the reason of the starting of this batch, the main reason was the lack of guidance here, because you will get the private tutor for the competitive exam, you will get the private tutor for the WBCS, but you won't get the private tutor for the UPSC here, because very few aspirants are preparing from Kolkata. So that's why we don't have enough institutes in Kolkata, and we don't have the proper guidance, and also the private tutors. So that's the main reason to start my batches. So I have started 4 batches in May 2019. That was the 5th May 2019 to March 2020. Because I was shifting to Delhi on 1st April, but unfortunately it wouldn't happen. So now I am totally preparing for the home, and so you can see that I have decorated my room newly, because I was mentally prepared that I am going to Delhi, and for the prelims and mains I was preparing from there. But the UPSC has notified that we have to change the actually exam center for the prelims. So as it's not possible to shift Delhi at this moment in this pandemic situation. So I have made my room for the prelims oriented preparations. So that's my preparation story totally. So now come to the availability of the material and the guidance. So how you can get the guidance as a self-study preparation student, right? So first of all, each and everything is available on the internet. So for at this moment, YouTube and the Google is your best friend, and the teacher, each and everything, friend, philosopher, guide is the YouTube and the Google, because I totally rely on the YouTube for my each and every subject. I have already made a video that the top 10 YouTube channel for the UPSC preparation. If you have not go through them, you can check it out, because those YouTube channel, I totally rely on them for the static and also for the current affairs. And this is very recommendable. Their way of teaching is very much recommendable, because you will not get a proper guidance here, because lack of institutes are there. I think it's very 1 or 2 institutes are there, but they are not very recommendable by any topper. So I will highly recommend you can go for the online resources, like online videos from any institutes or any website or any other YouTube channels. So when I saw many comment on my videos that ma'am, where can I get the Vajiram yellow booklet, where can I get that the vision value addition material, insight monthly compilations. So I was totally shocked that the many people or many aspirants, those are beginner, they don't know where they can get these things. So I thought to make this video. So that's why I am making this video. First of all, start with the Vision IS. So Vision IS is a online, they have an online website, they have an online application, and also institutes in Delhi. And I am a student of Vision IS. That means not the foundation course, the prelims and the main stage series, and also the ethics case studies students. So for that, they have given you the monthly compilation on their website. Also Insight also provide you the monthly compilation, RTM compilation. It is totally free of cost. Many people don't know that it is totally free of cost. Many beginners has commented on my video that how much you have to pay for this one. You don't have to pay anything for this one. Vision and the Insight compilation of current affairs, daily current affairs, monthly current affairs. They are Insight Secure, that means the daily answer writing initiative. All of them are totally free of cost. If you join for the test series program, then you have to pay for it. But otherwise, they are current affairs and also the toppers booklet, topper strategy. Each and everything is totally free on their website. And this is very much recommendable. Those who are preparing for the from your home and cannot go to Delhi, I will highly recommend you. You can totally rely on the Vision website and the Insight website. They will give you the quality content in a free of cost. So this is the online resources. Then come to the YouTube videos. You will go the Only IAS YouTube videos for the Hindu news analysis and the prelim booster. Then Study IQ. This is highly recommended YouTube channel. Then the Unacademy. Then the Rajya Sabha TV. There are a lot of YouTube channels which you will they will provide the current affairs and also the static videos. So this is for the online resources. Then come to the offline resources or the physical material, how we will get. So many people ask me that where they get the material from the for the Vajiram yellow booklet or any optional material which is not available in Kolkata any bookshop, even not in Amazon also. So these type of things we how they can get. So you can get each and everything from the online courier service from the Delhi bookshop. If you search in Google that the Atul Photostat, I have bought my each and every notes from the Atul Photostat. So if you search by their name, you will get their contact number. From that you can call them and you can ask them for your all of your queries. That means which type of material you want. They will send you a picture on your WhatsApp, and you can just select that I need this. So after that you have to pay them through online. I think it's Google Pay or Paytm, any of them, or bank transfer. Then they will send you in a courier service. That means I think it's 5 to 6 days, not more than that. When I bought them, it takes almost 7 days, just 7 days. You will get each and every material of Delhi, like test series, optional papers, then Vajiram yellow booklet, any other notes, whichever, any type of notes are available in their bookshop or any other bookshop. I don't know any other bookshop names because I have bought it from the Atul Photostat. So I am recommending them. So this is very highly recommended by many UPSC topper. You can go for the courier service and you will get each and every material from them. So you can use these resources as a offline and also for the online resources as a self-study preparation. And how to start the preparation. Now come to the how to start the preparation as a beginner. So if you are a beginner, I will recommend you start with the NCERTs. That means the 6 to 12 NCERTs. It is totally up to you. If you are well enough in your school days, then you can directly go for the 11th and 12th NCERT. But if you are not well enough in your school days, then I will recommend you can go for 6 to 12th NCERTs. But if you are a Bengali medium student, as I was a Bengali medium student in my college school days, so I start with the 6 to 12th NCERT because I feel that I have to work a lot for the on the English also. So that I have started from the 6th NCERTs. But if you are from the English medium aspirant, then you can directly go for the 11th and 12th NCERTs. So after completing the NCERTs, go for the GS paper wise preparation. That means the mains preparation. Always start your preparations with the mains, not the prelims, and always in a integrated manner. Never think that I will prepare for 1 year before the prelims only for the prelims, and after the prelims I will only prepare for the mains, just because that time you will get only 3 months. It's not enough for the mains preparation. So for always start with your mains preparation, optional preparation. Then before the prelims, that means the 3 month or the 2 months, just totally rely on your prelims resources or the prelims preparation, right? So as our prelims is on the 4th October, I am totally relying I am totally preparing for the prelims from the July, August, September. These 3 months is for the prelims preparation. So after that, I got only 3 months for the mains. As I am totally prepared for the mains now, just I have to revise the things before the mains. If I am not prepared for the mains before the prelims, then I have to start completing all these before the mains. So I will recommend you start with your mains preparation, not your prelims preparation. And always your preparation should be in an integrated way, right? So this is the preparation strategy. And for the optional paper, so many people commented that how to prepare optional, because actually everyone don't get the guidance for the optional, and also each and everyone won't take the geography or history, as this subject is quite from GS oriented, so you can prepare it totally by self preparation, right? But many people took anthropology, psychology, this type of subject need guidance, because you won't have read it in your school days. So for that you can go online coaching institute, as if you feel that Kolkata, the institutes in Kolkata is not well for your optional paper, then you can join any online institutes for your optional paper, as many institutes, because at this moment each and every institutes give the online resources or online classes, but you will get online classes from the GS4, Vision IAS, Insight IAS. Many institutes are there, are Forum IAS. I think Vajiram don't get the online classes before, but at this moment I think they gave the online classes also. So you will get each and everything online material. So don't think that if you can't go to Delhi, you cannot prepare from your home. This is totally a myth, nothing else. You can prepare from your home and you will get each and everything at your home. And the courier service is available, online material is available. So the you can do for the printed out from each and every material. As I joined the Vision IAS prelims and mains test series, and also the ethics case studies classes. So they just gave me the PDF, the online PDF, so soft copy only. So I have to print it out it from any shops. So after that I just read it. So this is the total strategy you can prepare from your home. I think I have cleared all of your queries which you are asking in the comment section. So if you have till enough queries, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear all of your doubts. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.